Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We are going to delve into the fascinating world of jaguars, one of the most awe-inspiring big cats on the planet. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the top 10 amazing facts about jaguars. Fact 1. Jaguar appearance. Jaguars are renowned for their striking appearance. Their sleek bodies are covered in a coat of beautiful rosettes, similar to leopards, but with a distinct pattern. These rosettes provide them with excellent camouflage in the dappled light of their jungle habitats. Fact 2. Powerful bite. Jaguars possess one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom. Their powerful jaws are designed to crush through the skulls and shells of their prey, making them incredibly efficient hunters. Pound for pound, they have the strongest bite of any big cat. Fact 3. Habitat range. Jaguars are incredibly adaptable. While they're most commonly associated with dense rainforests, they can also be found in a variety of habitats, including swamps, grasslands, and even arid areas. This versatility makes them one of the most widespread big cats in the Americas. Fact 4. Excellent swimmers. Jaguars are surprisingly skilled swimmers. They're known to be highly comfortable in the water and are often seen hunting in rivers and streams. In fact, they're one of the few big cats that truly enjoy swimming, making them unique among their feline counterparts. Fact 5. Apex predators. Jaguars are apex predators, which means they're at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. They have a diverse diet that includes a wide range of prey, from small rodents to large mammals. This adaptability allows them to thrive in various environments. Fact 6. Solitary nature. Jaguars are solitary creatures. Unlike lions, which are known for their social prides, jaguars prefer a more solitary lifestyle. They are known to roam and hunt alone, and they establish large territories to ensure they have enough prey to sustain themselves. Fact 7. Endangered status. Unfortunately, jaguars are facing significant threats to their survival. Due to habitat loss, poaching, and conflicts with humans, they are listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these magnificent creatures. Fact 8. Cultural significance. Jaguars hold deep cultural significance in many indigenous societies. They are often revered as symbols of power, strength, and protection. In some cultures, they are even considered sacred beings, playing a central role in folklore and ceremonies. Fact 9. Elusive nature. Despite their widespread range, jaguars are notoriously elusive. Their secretive nature makes them challenging to study and observe in the wild. This aura of mystery only adds to the allure of these enigmatic big cats. Fact 10. Conservation efforts. There's hope for the future of jaguars. Conservation organizations and dedicated individuals around the world are working tirelessly to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats. By supporting these efforts, we can all play a part in ensuring a brighter future for jaguars. And there you have it, folks. 10 amazing facts about jaguars that highlight just how incredible these big cats truly are. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wildlife content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.